Okay, so let's get started by setting up your ClickUp account. So the first step is to scroll down and click on the first link down below in the video description. This link will take you to the ClickUp signup page where you can create your free account. So once you're on this page, click on this button, Get Started, it's free, and type in your email address and click Next. Then type in your name and choose a password and click on Play with ClickUp. And now we want to go to our email inbox and get our verification code, copy that, and then paste that in here. And then we'll have to answer a few basic questions. And here we could already add our team members to this workspace. However, I recommend to keep it private for now. And then once everything is set up, then you can start adding your team members. And I'm going to show you how to do this at the end of this tutorial. So for now, we're just going to click on I'm done. Now we need to name our workspace. So if you're using ClickUp for your company, then you can just use your company's name, or if you're using it for a specific project, it could also be your project name. I'm just going to simply use my company name, which is Madix Media, and click on Finish. All right, so now we have created our ClickUp account and we've also created our first workspace.